Buti pa rin binuga ng organ. Talagang natin siya. Yung nakita ko naman ano na abin mo na kuya ito nagmablang. Mas maganda po yung diretso na ako sa akin. Pag hindi na magamit ng pagkakang gamit. We have already the repositioning of our logistics and the winter goods that we will be able to use the time that there is eruption. Ang evacuation center naman natin laging ready.
The rest of the LGUs, Batangas will serve as the host LGUs together with the neighboring provinces such as province of Cavite,